Hello, my friends. This is Fitness Anytime and Anywhere by Marzena. For over 25 years, I've been a group fitness instructor, teaching every fitness format you can imagine. But nothing, and I mean nothing, has transformed bodies and changed lives like Aqua Fitness. If you are serious, truly serious about losing weight in the most effective, safe, and joint-friendly way, you are in the right place. Most of the people who are overweight and desperately trying to fix their health end up in the same cycle: injury, more pain, discouragement, and quitting again. It's a trap until you try Aqua. In the water, your body becomes lighter, safer, supported, yet challenged. Overweight exercisers, seniors, beginners, everyone can do more in the water than they can do on land. And guess what? You burn crazy amount of calories while feeling like you're just having fun, especially when you're splashing with me. And these are the best exercises from the 10-day Aqua Weight Loss Program. A program designed to burn at least 500 extra calories each day, plus encourage you to reduce 500 calories from your daily intake. This combination is where the magic happens. But before you dive in, make sure you are cleared by your doctor, especially if you're dealing with any health conditions. Safety first, my friends, always. To complete all 10 days, you'll need Aqua dumbbells, wet gloves, pool noodle, resistance ankle cuffs, resistance band, water bottle, swimsuit, access to a swimming pool, and ladies, your waterproof mascara. Plus, to watch every full-length class, you'll need access to the on-demand Aqua Workouts platform, link on the screen. And yes, you can get a free 7-day trial today. Trust me, by day 7, when those pounds start melting away, you will want to subscribe and continue. This challenge creates results. Repeat the program as many times as you want until you reach your goals. Just remember, take one full day off before starting another round. And when the results come, and yes, they will, brag about them. Show off your hard work. Inspire your friends, family, co-workers, the whole world. Let's create a community of healthy, strong, and happy aquaholics, one splash at a time. This video is just a sneak peek of what you can expect when you join this challenge. Now, let me show you the best exercise from this program, and I truly hope to see you on the other side. The link is on the screen and in a description. My friends, let's splash, let's burn, and let's transform. Okay, in part 2 of this video, we're gonna focus on lower body strength, and we're gonna get rid of those wet gloves and get dressed in resistance ankle cuffs. I will be using medium size, and this is all I need for a very, very effective lower body challenge. Mountain climbers with and without touchdown, plus we're gonna later add rollovers. This is level 1. You're gonna hold the wall, or actually you're gonna push your palms against the wall, and on your exhale you're gonna curl one knee up and forward at a time. Later you're gonna jump over, and you now have mountain climbers. You want this one to be quite intensive. We're touching the bottom for the first set of 8, and then we're floating for the next set of 8. This is awesome. Now check out my favorite part of this move. After you do 8 reps without touching the bottom, you're gonna let the wall go. You're gonna drag your hands back and push your feet forward against the wall, just like you did with your V wall jumps at the beginning of this video. Just now, you're gonna pretty much double the challenge, because with these two on your ankles, my friends, you are putting those lower abs to so much challenge. And what also is great, resistance ankle cuffs help you float. So you can fully focus on the movement forward, and you don't have to go very, very fast just to stay afloat. Okay? Now notice eventually I stopped touching the bottom, okay? We do have options here. You can do 8 touching the bottom, 8 without, or choose the one that you like the most. Any other tips? Well, you definitely want to make sure you breathe properly with this exercise. So, with mountain climbers, you're going to inhale on one knee and exhale on the other knee. And with your rollover, you're going to fully breathe out, pushing your feet forward right here. Exhale, hear your breath, and then you inhale, returning back to your starting position. Wonderful, wonderful mix of fun, challenging ab moves. Next on the list is cross-country skiing with our feet flat, close to the bottom of the pool. And then we're gonna kick both legs forward, front kick double, and switch legs, holding the wall. One hand supported, you see, the other hand moves into the wall and away. We have 6 times cross-country skiing. Tuck the knees, push your feet forward, and switch legs. So once you're gonna end up with right leg forward and then with left leg forward. But if you forget, don't worry, because we still have to remember to switch side eventually. Now with these ankle cuffs, it's quite challenging to bring those feet back and down. That's gonna make it so challenging for abdominals, and that's exactly why this double kick is added to this mix. Yeah, in our 10-day challenge, expect a lot of new moves, but also you can expect a lot of fun mixes of moves, okay? Where we blend stuff together. You will never be bored, and your body will continuously be surprised and challenged. And by doing that, we burn more calories. Okay, finally, let's put our back against the wall. We have bike-like moves, legs mixed with scissors. This could be done with a pull noodle, but we will have to take off the resistance cuffs. We cannot use both, remember. So I decided to do cuffs today. We have nice round moves, kicking, pushing foot forward, flexing the foot, putting abs to work. Let's say 30 seconds here. And with the next move, you're gonna keep your legs straight and toes pointed, and you will be pressing your feet down to the bottom of the pool. These are scissors. All right, next we have top weight loss water exercises from day 6. This was my favorite day, lower body challenge, and we continue with resistance ankle cuffs. Okay, bouncy aqua jacks. We're gonna bounce out for 2 and in for 2, and that gives us option to go with a full range of motion. The bigger, the better. Plus, with the arms, make sure you create some nice waves on the surface of the water. Yes, my friends, a little impact added into the workout is very beneficial for bone density, for calorie burn. Next, we have knee tuck jumps out, and then we are sliding feet in. This will put those inner thighs on fire. We had 4 of these, and then we were moving backward with 8 speedy aqua jacks. Let's take a look again. These are knee tuck jumps with feet slide in, inner thighs, and then go back much faster. So as you can see, that was another fun mix of two moves that you've may seen before or tried before, but if you put them together like this, you create amazing intensity. Okay, next, double side kick. We're gonna start with left leg. Double side kick. Drop your leg down straight, and then on the other side you're gonna draw a huge circle with your right leg. Do you see that? That's pretty fantastic. Again, it could be done without resistance ankle calves, but my friends, I'm telling you, you are speeding up your results so much more with these. Rocking horse is next. This one is cardio exercise. It's gonna finally challenge what? It's gonna challenge back of the legs, hamstrings. And with rocking horse, there's so many ways to make it fun. You can turn around, you can move front and back. You can transform this one to front and back kick, adding jump over. And this will really increase intensity of your routine. Plus, you see, we kind of work the same muscle groups, but now you're gonna feel your core better. Front kick with touchdown. This is pure leg challenge. On your exhale, tuck your knee, push your foot forward, kick something that you would love to kick, and drag your arms back at the same moment. Feel your six-pack shaping inside. Hope you're seeing it one day, huh? Well, it's there, I promise. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the resistance bands, and we're gonna move from side to side for 8, and then back to the other side for 8. Next, we had side taps, a little more dynamic version of the same exercise. It's just right leg and then left leg for 8, for 10, for 12, for 100, depending how much time you have, my friends. Make sure you feel the burn before you switch the side. Cardio challenge. Ooh, yes, we've spent a little time for our most important muscle, our heart. We had some fun aqua sprints with resistance ankle calves. Haha, this was awesome. We have very dynamic side to side power keeps. Oops, I think I misspelled something. It happens. Don't pay attention. I know how it's spelled, but I edit very fast. I prefer working out than editing my videos. I think you can tell. Okay, next we have vertical floats. Guys, in this program, there was quite a bit of floating. We are treading the water with our hands. Those resistance calves help us float in a vertical position, and we're putting our thighs on fire. We had some jumps, but don't worry, if you have bad knees, I also gave you options to do knee tuck jumps, which are totally low impact. So throughout the entire workout, if you don't want to jump, you're gonna be given either, you see low impact option right here, no more jumping, just knee tucking, pure upper body strength, lower body strength. Wide sprint, this one is a little different. You see, it's kind of again like we were playing at drums, just now with both feet and arms. We turn around, we move front and back to burn more calories, and we mix it with jumps and sprints and movement. All of this to maximize calories burn per minute. So don't be surprised that in some videos I'm telling you you can burn up to 1,000 calories, friends. Some of the routines from this program were 90 minutes. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this list. I hope this video deserved your like. Let me know in the comments which of those moves you enjoyed the most, and then maybe if you tried them in a pool, which one was the most challenging. Thank you so much for watching. Sending great positive vibes, much love, and I will see you in the pool. Bye.